Here, Jess. How do you feed yourself?
That was supposed to happen.
Good girl.
That was supposed to happen.
What wasn't? Oh, I know. I pressed the wrong button. Good job. You want more? If you want more, here, let's dip it again. Come on, me dip. Come on, ready? Here you go, girlie. Here, take this part. There you go. Good girl. Do you want some milk with that, Jess? Jess, you want milk? Good girl. Here. Yay. Do you want more food? Wrong ends. Here. Let me help. Let me help. Where'd your brother go? Oops. Go for it. Yay! Do you want something to drink? Do you want more milk? Is that good? What happened to your mop? You got a little hair curtains going on there. Do you want some milk now, Jess? Are you just happy with your food? Yeah? You gonna eat more?